decades, for creating songs that have mirrored many facets of Filipino life, culture, and history, for his songs that have uplifted our spirits.
For being OPM's Mr. Pure Energy, who never fails to supply the needed energy for OPM to reach greater heights. For instilling and renewing Filipino pride within all of us. For being a strong pillar in pushing the original Filipino music industry to its ultimate success.
For bringing OPM to global awareness and success, and for being a source of inspiration and strength to other OPM artists to work for excellence and professionalism for the industry. The PMPC Hereby Awards, the Parangal Levi Celerio Lifetime Achievement Award to none other than the great Mr. Gary Valenciano.
Presenting the plaque of recognition for the PMPC, our PMPC past presidents, Fernando Guzman, Roldan Castro, Veronica Sabi, Romel Gonzalez, Julie Bonifacio, and current PMPC President, Joe Balamena.
First, I want to thank Christian and Eric and Martin for that number. Maraming salamat. Actually, nung nagbibihis ako, inisip ko kung anong maaari kong sabihin para sa PMPC. Pero nalaman ko na hindi lang dapat ang PMPC ang dapat kong pasalamatan. Is it okay if I read what I wrote for all of you? Okay. Sinulat ko lang dito. Nasa English pero susubukan kong Tagalogin. Oh, thank you. I am thankful to the PMPC Star Awards for this recognition. Alam niyo, 35 years ago, doon nag-umpisa ang lahat. And most of you who have followed my career know of the many events that have taken place. The most challenging of which came in the form of health challenges I encountered just a few months ago. Today, it's truly amazing to still be alive and well. To have been given yet another opportunity to fulfill the things I yet hope to achieve. I have been given, blessed, and gifted with many who, through the years, have truly stood by me and have taught me a lot about what I've been called to do. My wife, Angeli, and my children, my team at Genesis and GVPI, ABS-CBN, and yes, even GMA. Because after 35 years, sila rin ang nakatulong sa akin. They molded me into the kind of artist that I am today. And all the other networks as well. All the sponsors who have always believed in what my team and I could deliver. Yung mga recording companies like Universal Records and Star Music, you know, they're here tonight. For allowing me to express myself sa pinaka-impactful of ways. The songwriters and arrangers that have never failed in capturing the soul of people's hearts and have given me the honor of reflecting all of that through music. All the movie companies, kasi sila naglagay sa akin sa harapan ng camera at hindi lang sa harapan ng mikropono. Members of the media and the PMPC and our media partners as well. The fans. That's all of you. Hindi lang yung mga sumusuporta sa akin, pero sumusuporta sa aming lahat. Kayo at inyong mga pamilya, you have reached out to me many times online and you have expressed all the love and support, and I truly have felt that. And when I talk about families, I cannot exclude the families like the ASAP family. Your face sounds familiar, and Showtime TNT families. Alam niyo mga kaibigan, pwede naman i-edit to pero sana hindi. After everything that I went through, amazing talaga kung paano mag-restore si Lord. Kasi yung isang gabi, nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon ulit na kumanta ng isang bagong teleserye theme song para sa isang teleserye na naging paborito natin lahat, yung Ang Probinsyano. Magkakaroon ito ng isang bagong theme song, I think starting tomorrow. At sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon at dumadaan sa mga iba't ibang klaseng pagsubok, gusto kong kantahin na kahit kapiraso lang ng kanta na to. And it goes like this.
Huwag kang matakot, huwag mabahala, kung bumuhos ang ulan. Ano mang pagsubok may dahilan.
I've said it, I'd like to end by saying this. I've said it, show after show, year after year, stage after stage. Only Jesus deserves all the honor for all the ways that He has chosen to honor me. So, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And it all belongs to me. Thank you.
TNPC, para sa karangalan ito, I am humbled and honored to accept this award, the Pilita Corrales Lifetime Achievement Award for 2018. I would like to thank also my family, my friends, and my fans for the past 48 years who have followed my career. And nais kong 48 years na. And lahat po ng tumatangkilik ng musikang Pilipino. Most importantly, I would like to thank the Lord God Almighty for all His blessings. Ad Maiorem Dei Gloriam. Maraming salamat po.